Hey everyone, it's Exposito. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm actually doing another 20,000 KR unboxing. Now, I did do one, like a couple weeks ago, but my other YouTube account was hacked, unfortunately. So this is my main YouTube channel now. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so let's get this started. So the first couple of spins we've gotten, ooh! Okay, well, I was about to say first, but the spins we got nothing, but we actually already got a relic on the fourth spin. Which is pretty good. Got a few purples. That was close. Oh my god! What is my luck right now, man? Wow. Bro, I thought I just got another one. I was about to freak out. Okay, so... Bro, what is happening? What is this luck? Oh my god! Oh my god! I just got 3 relics in a row! Dude! Holy crap! What was that? I think I went over, but... Wait, no, I didn't. I haven't gone over yet. That's insane. That, like, what? We got a contraband, and I think it was like, what, like 5 relics? Okay, let's just do the last 2 on a normal map. Okay, well, it's kind of glitched out. Go into my servers. There we go. Shits and giggles. Just last one. Alright. So, basically, we got nothing for the AK. We got a relic for the sniper. We got a contraband for the running gun. We got nothing for the LMG. We got a relic for the shotgun. We got nothing for the revolver. A legendary for the rocket launcher. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. In the aftermath, I got 1 contraband and 4 relics. So if you guys want, you guys can drop a like on the video if you actually enjoyed it. If not, it's all good. You can leave a dislike. But make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the post notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.